If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone to another Injective protocol update. It is continuing to melt faces in yesterday's Twitter post. Make sure you're following me here if you haven't already. The links are underneath every single video in the description and pinned comment section. And we've seen this post from yesterday where we posted two pictures, Injective, all targets have now been met. And so what we need to do at this point is use a new set of fibs to get further bullish targets, because this doesn't look like it's going to stop. And so in yesterday's Twitter update, this is why you need to follow, because I have already made a video where we explain this, but if there's anything to add, it's going to be here on the Twitter. And so essentially I pulled up a Fibonacci retracement tool on this retracement, which is this dump over here just before we actually met the final target. And then this is giving us future targets at upside. And that's why in yesterday's Twitter post, I said that the next technical target for Injective is $35. I know we have a $36 target. It will get there as well. But we had some confluence with another fib level. As you can see, this gray line, I can't really show you the fib, it's a picture. But yeah, we had two targets at the $35 location. And if we go to where Injective is today, wow guys, we're at $32 just like that. Just in a single day we've moved from let's go to the daily time frame and see how aggressive these moves were. So 2 days ago we were at $25. Now we're sitting at $32 just in the past 2 days alone. So literally yesterday and today's still going, we are up 25%. Absolutely incredible. I love what I'm seeing, and this is just continuing to melt faces. So not only are the targets getting smashed, but we're continuing to the next sets of targets. So we're looking for Injective to get up to around the $35 mark. We are still above the 20 daily, above the 55. So we're just looking for bullish continuation. And I think that if we did actually correct right now, the wick over here at $23.88 is where we need to hold. I think even if it started rolling over, it wouldn't just be in one day. It would take a few days to come down. And as this is a key level where we want saw resistance and support, for me going forward, that wick at $23.88 must hold going forward, and the time it takes to roll over the 20 would have already dragged and come in line with that wick, maybe even above that point. So we know that we're in safe hands as long as $23 is continuing to maintain. I know that's $9 away from where we are right now. That would be quite a significant dump. It would be a dump of 25%, but we're not calling for the dump. We're just saying that the point of support that needs to hold so we can keep rallying is that wick where we was once resistance, our top, and then flipped it. Sorry, I just punched my mic so hard, ouch. And then we flipped it into support over here. But yeah, that's pretty much it from the daily time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour right now and look at this a little bit clearer. So we can see that this point of resistance where we have in the bodies was the golden pocket. The 786 as well, we can see that we got rejected at 786. So we need to clear that entire area. And once that's done, the reversal wave is created. And we can see that in one nice candle, a 10% candle on the 4 hour time frame, pushed us through the golden pocket and the 786 fib, essentially creating the reversal wave, which means that we will head to these targets first. Now we're cooling off. As you can see, we've had multiple 4 hour periods attempting the breakout. Maybe we're actually going to see the continuation right now. So in 3 hours time, we need the 1618 being broken. We need to see this body pretty much where it is right now. As long as the body closes in 3 hours time above the 1618 $31.72, then we will just get that continuation to our final target. And again, I can only get targets when we retrace, guys. So only when we come down I can get further targets. So it looks like as if at the moment that could be where we are topping out. Just because I'm not seeing a dump right now, you know, maybe in 3 hours time we actually fail to close above the 1618, and then we're looking to come back down and hunt this wick. I like that this red candle actually happened, because it's showing that the 1272 until that wick is the key area of support. So yes, we could of course as I've already mentioned on the other time frames, we could be coming down a lot deeper. But as we've now gone on the 4 hour time frame, if we just want to immediately in the short term continue to our $35 technical target, then we need to stay above $30, $29.85, pretty much $30. And then from that point, we're just going to see this continuation as long as this wick low over here does continue to hold. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's get these gains. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. If you want to get educated so you can learn to do this all by yourself using the Fibonacci's swiftly and being able to predict where the market is going, just as we have done over the past few months. Remember, just a few months ago, we were making videos when Injective was under $10, and now look at this, $30, guys. Incredible. And what's quite funny, since September, since I've been back from Brazil, I haven't had full function of my left eye. So we're doing this all with one eye since September. So not a lot of influencers can do it with two eyes, let alone one. So continue to support the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Again, if you want to get educated, use the links down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for the support. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website, you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, or if you want to take action on my 6-hour-long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.